morning, students. Let me begin your lecture for today. What creates these difficulties for the second language learners? What are some of the hurdles that the second language learners encounter? So second language learners find it much difficult to learn a new language. So we have to think about the difficulties or the challenges these people face while learning a second language. Learning the basics of any language is an exciting and fun-filled activity, provided the learner is eager and passionate about it. So if the learner strongly wishes and is curious and passionate about learning the basics of any language, it is an exciting as well as joyful and fun-filled activity. Activity-based learning helps the learner in his process of acquiring the language. So, learning of language using activities help the learner learn new languages easily. So, if this language learner, that is a second language learner, is given activities, then it's much easier for the learner to learn a new language. Learning a language involves acquiring competency in micro skills and macro skills. So, in learning, it involves developing competency, that is, the ability to do something successfully or efficiently in micro skills and macro skills. So, micro skills refers to specific competencies for communicating effectively with others. And macro skills are most commonly referred to listening, speaking, reading and writing in English language. So the micro skills include what? Pronunciation, vocabulary, spelling and grammar. So this refers to the specific competencies that are required for communicating effectively with others. And the macro skills are the basic language skills which involves listening, speaking, reading and writing. So the macro skills are most commonly referred to listening, speaking and writing in English language. This is all for today. Thank you.